Today was Alex's first day of gymnastics. Star jump! Okay, what else did you learn? Oh, thanks, Edison. Ugh. I can't see. Wait, what did you do, Alex?
Oh, crab walking?
Oh, into the couch.
And now we've got professional wrestling.
We did a break.
And in this corner.
Get him, Nuggy. Out of there. Out. Mommy's taking a video.
I'll show you.
Yeah, why don't you show Mommy how you can do a somersault?
No, I'm gonna do bridges first. Because I don't know how to do.
That's a good somersault, Maggie. Good job, buddy. Uh-oh.
We have to take that toy away.
Far away.
Did you already show me your somersault, Alex?
Oh, not yet. I'm gonna show you bridges or somersault first.
Okay, somersault, okay. Good job, Edison.
Look.
Whoa! That's a good bridge.
How about this? That one that I have. How about this one?
Mm-hmm. That's pretty good.
Is this Amy?
Uh-huh.
Is Edison a bridge?
Cool, bud.
Do you want some help, Maggie? Do you want me to push you over?
Yes.
Go down and make the bridge.
I want to push you over. Can I
Make
push
it.
somebody over?
Look. Yes.
Got it.
Yes, this is the bridge.
That's a cool bridge. How about a somersault?
Now, can I take a picture?
Sure.